Synergy front bump stop spacers for the 1994 to current Ram 2500 and 3500. You do not need to raise and support the vehicle, but for the purposes of this video and to make installation easier, we have raised and supported the vehicle. Support the front of the truck, remove the front wheels, and allow the front axle to droop all the way down. You do not need to remove the springs or shocks. Using a flat blade screwdriver, pry the factory rubber bump stop out of the stock bump stop mount. It's easiest to insert the screwdriver from the side in between the rubber bump stop and the metal mount and pry outward. Keep the rubber bump stop. Make a mark at the center of the stock bump stop mount. You can use one of the new bump stop mounts by holding it in place and using a transfer punch to mark the center of the frame. Begin by using a pilot drill to drill an 1/8 inch hole where you marked previously on both sides, and then final drill to 5/16. Reinstall the Synergy Ram bump stop spacer into the stock bump stop mount. Use one of the 3/8 self-tapping screws to install the Synergy bump stop mount to the old bump stop mount. Once you have both bump stop mounts installed, torque them to 30 foot-pounds. Use some soap or Windex to lube the bump stop up. Do not use a grease or petroleum product, this could degrade the rubber. Reinstall the bump stops that you've got lubed up into the Synergy bump stop mount. Depending on the age of your bump stop, they may be very difficult to install. You can either use a pry bar against the spring or even the weight of the truck with some wooden blocks to press them in. Verify that the bump stops are securely and squarely in place. Lower the vehicle back to the ground and reinstall the wheels. Torque the lug nuts to the factory specifications. Installation is complete. For more information on this product or other Synergy products, visit us at synergymfg.com.